This Cadillac CT6 sedan has a strong turbocharged gas V6 3.0 liters/engine powering this automatic transmission. Wireless charging, wipers, Rainsense, wheels, 20x8.5, 50.9 cm by 21.6 cm, 5 split-spoke aluminum with Manoogian Silver premium painted finish and 5 chrome inserts. Drive your Cadillac CT6 Sedan Platinum AWD in luxury with these packages: wheel, compact spare, includes compact spare tire, wheel locks, universal home remote, toolkit, road emergency, tires, 245/40R20XL all season, blackwall, tire, compact spare, T135/70R18, blackwall, theft-deterrent system, vehicle immobilizer, tail lamps, LED illumination, rear, surround vision, Birdseye view of vehicle, surround vision recorder, sunshades, rear side, manual, sunshade, power, rear window, sunroof, UltraView, power with independent front and rear shade control, steering, power assist, electric variable, steering, active, rear. Visit us today. Live a little. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to make this car yours today.